serious?
What in the world? Somebody come up with that.
That's one way to sweep the floor.
Somebody right now is sitting back thinking about making that soon. They say, I sold another to some big dummy.
Somebody sitting home collecting a paycheck.
It's in the counting money.
He died, poor
Brings a
thing.
whole new meaning to ROF.
Is he remote controlled or what?
It's,
Oh!
supposed to be like
Wake up,
motion
puppy.
activated. Walk by him.
I must admit, he got a good laugh. He got a good laugh.
Oh, Lester would be all over this.
I think it's real,
Oh, yeah.
Puppy.
You think it's real? Does Lexi do that?
Catches his breath for a second and starts over.
I have to use that on my answer machine.
You want what?
Wake up!
That'd be good. That would be
Wake up, puppy!
Here, slide him over here, Slade.
Okay, I'll try.
You scared of
Slide
him?
him out here.
He said, "Come fight me."
Yep, him is real. Yeah,